All right, today is the day that we are going to install, finally, the Cinnado B6. As you guys can tell here behind me, weather has been completely uncooperative. It's been raining, everything is super wet, super nasty. This is the beauty about living in Florida. But anyways, today we're gonna be installing the Cinnado B6. This is the solar powered version. I'm not sure how well we're gonna be able to do any of this without any sun, but we're gonna try it out. All right, so first things first, we're gonna go ahead and connect this. There we go. So that's step one. All right, now that I have the camera in my hand, we're gonna pop this up like this. This goes connected down here. All right, after much tries, I have actually done it. So here is the power button and the reset button on the bottom. So we're gonna go ahead and hit the power button. Here we go. All right, so it's the next day. I had to wait because the battery on the camera was completely dead, so I charged it overnight. Right now we're gonna go ahead and go through the installation process. I'll put it up either here or here so you guys can follow along. But anyways, I already turned on the camera. I clicked the reset button as you guys are seeing here. I left it held for 5 seconds, and now it's in pairing mode. It's flashing red and blue. So it's flashing. Yes, that's my Wi-Fi.
Please point the QR code towards the camera lens and wait for the scan.
All right, so that's the QR code. Not sure if you guys can see it right there, but I'm gonna point it in front of the camera.
QR code scan is successful.
All right, there. Guessing it was sun is facing completely to it.
Wi-Fi is connected.
Next.
The pairing is successful. You can start using the camera now. The pairing is successful. You can start using the camera now.
All right. Let's put here backyard. Wi-Fi signal is good. Here we are. There it is. Okay. And now we have backyard. All right, so that's pretty much installation. This has an internal battery. It charges with the solar panel that I showed you guys in the previous one. I'm gonna go ahead and install the solar panel and install this. And when it's completely installed, then I'll show you guys how it looks and how it functions right after I'm done. Stay tuned. Alright, so we're going to be installing this little plate right here, and this is where the camera is going to go mounted onto. Alright, there you have it. Not the cleanest install, but it works. And that's what matters, that it works. I have the solar panel up here, gathering sunlight all morning long from the east all the way to, like, I would say 6 o'clock at night because of the way that it's shaped. It's good enough for me. Should keep the camera running for a very long time. If you guys liked this install, make sure you go ahead and check out my other Amazon products on my storefront. Bye-bye.